Hello students, welcome to the chapter number 2 of class 12 biology. In previous session we have completed chapter number 1 in which we have studied about different types of reproduction in organism as well as plant. Now in this chapter we will discuss about sexual reproduction in plant, flowering plant in detail. Different events we will do in detail. Now you can see that here it is written, sexual reproduction in plants consists of 3 different stages, 3 different events. First event is pre-fertilization event, second is fertilization event, and third is post-fertilization event. Now one by one we will discuss all these. Now during this pre-fertilization event we will do these different types of terminology we have written here. We will start with structure of flower. In this chapter, first of all, we will start with the structure of flower in detail because flower is the most important part of the plant from reproductive point of view. The flower is meant for sexual reproduction and that's why we will do this structure of flower in detail. Now, all of you are aware that flower, when in the beginning of the life of the plant, no flower is there. That means plants, when it is in the juvenile phase, then or the vegetative phase, no flower is there. When the plant will complete its vegetative phase, then it will enter into the reproductive phase, then the flower will appear. Just before the commencement of the flowering or the reproductive phase, a special hormone, that is florigen, will be produced, synthesized in the leaf, and then that will be reached to the location or the site where the flowering will occur. After flowering, when the flower will appear in the plant, then we will study the structure of the flower. Flower consists of mainly 4 parts, 4 holes. That is, first hole, the outermost hole is known as calyx. The next to that calyx is corolla. Then third hole is anther and the innermost hole is gynoecium or the female reproductive portion. Now have a look on the figure of this flower in which we'll discuss about different parts.
This is the part of the flower. You can see here that when the plant enters into the reproductive phase after the vegetative phase, then the flowers appears on the plant. Now this flower has these following parts. This is the pedicel, which is the stalk of the flower. This is present on this is the hypothalamus or receptacle of the flower. The flower consists of mainly 4 holes. The first outer hole is known as calyx or sepal, which is surrounding the flower or covering the flower during the bud condition, which is green in color. The next hole is known as petal or corolla, which is the second hole. Then third hole is the male reproductive organ, that is stamen, and the innermost hole is the pistil. Flowers are of 2 types, unisexual or bisexual. When both the pistil as well as anther present in the single flower, it is known as bisexual, and if only single one, either pistil or anther, then it is unisexual flower. So you can see here that pistil and anther is the necessary part of the flower and other parts are accessory part. They are assisting, helping the flower in the process of reproduction. This is the structure of the stamen, the detailed structure having the filament, these 2 bilobed anther, and it is connected by the connective. When you will cut the transverse section of this anther, you can see here that in each lobe 2 sacs are microsporangium are there. That's why it is 4 chambered or 4 sac are there. Pollen sac is 4 in number. These pollen sac, after they will give rise to the pollen grains after the process of microsporogenesis, that is male gametophyte. This is the gynoecium or pistil or female reproductive part of the flower. This part having 3 important parts, that is stigma, this is the receiving part for the pollens. Then this is tube like structure, that is style. which will give passage to the developing pollen tube, and the lowermost part, this is ovary. This ovary contains the ovule inside it. You can see the ovule is present on the placenta of this. When in the CS transfer section, you can see these ovules.